Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to sign in to your Hotmail account. Now, as you can see right here, Hotmail is now Microsoft Outlook. So just search up Microsoft Outlook on your browser. You can type in Outlook and just go ahead and log in. Now here come the top right, click on login and then just enter your Hotmail email address, okay? Now they'll ask us to choose an account. Right here, I'll click on use another account. We'll type in our email right there. As you can see, we'll select this one, click on next, and then all you need to do is just enter your password. As you can see, it has accepted it. Just enter your password. If you don't remember it, click on forgot, or you can send it to your recovery email. But otherwise, it is really that easy and simple. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel.